Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Kitija and I own a small jewelry business, and in this channel I'll share all sorts of different jewelry that I make either for my shop, something I found on the internet that I would want to make, or something I have been requested to make. And this is one of the requests, and it's this gorgeous bracelet, and it's like a zigzag that I have made already before. I will link it somewhere on the screen, but the addition is like these little beads in between. I haven't finished it because I want to show you later on how to do the end. Cute. Let's get started. The things that I am going to use, and I will link everything that I use in description box, so if you want anything that you see on screen, it will be down there. Anyways, the things that I am going to use: beading mat. Then I have 3 different colors of Miyuki beads. I know that in the bracelet there are more colors, but I'm gonna work just with 3, just to not get anyone confused or anything. You can work with any colors, there's no rule which colors you can use. Then I have some pliers, scissors, fishing line. I am currently using this one and it's 0.33mm size. And then I have some really basic closures that I got from Amazon and I use them for the videos. We will start by taking some fishing line, and if you're making yourself a bracelet, I would take about 1 meter off the fishing line, but because I'm not gonna make the whole thing, I'm gonna take a bit less than that. So we just double the fishing line and take one of these fold over crimp ends, and we put the fishing line on, like wrap it around like that, and then we just fold down the sides and squeeze it like so. And then we take one of the jump rings, open it up and put lobster claw on, and take the bracelet part and put it on as well, and close it. And this is one side of your closure done. And now we can start beading. And I am going to use, for the flowers, I'm going to use the white ones. For the middle of the flower, I'm going to use the yellow beads. And then obviously for the little leaves, I'm going to use the green beads. So we're going to start by making the first flower, and I'm taking 1 bead and I put each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead. And then if we pull both ends, it's gonna go down like so. And now we take 2 beads on each end of the fishing line, like so. And now we take the middle bead, which is for me the yellow, and we put both ends of the fishing line through like so. And now we take this part and we sort of like fold it over, looks like this. And you take one end of the fishing line, put through 2 beads on one side, and take the other end and put through 2 beads on the other side. Pull it. This is how it looks. And now you just tighten it up like so. And now we take one end of the fishing line and we put 1 white bead on, or the one that you use for the flower, like so. And we take the same end of the fishing line and put it through the first bead on the other side, like so. And now when you pull it, so it goes on the side like so. And now we take the outside fishing line and we put 2 green beads on. And we take the other fishing line and we put 1 bead on. This is how it looks. And now we take the bead for the flower again. You put each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead. Drag it down. This is how it looks. And now we make the flower again. So you take 2 beads on each end of the fishing line. One bead, both the yellow bead for the middle, put both ends of the fishing line through. And we take the 2. Oh, that's very bright. We take these 2 ends, fold them over, and put one end of the fishing line through one side 2 beads, and the other end through the other side 2 beads. Pull it. This is how it looks. And now we take this side of the fishing line and we put 1 bead on, 1 white bead on, like so. And then we take that end and we put it through the first bead on the other side. And when you pull it, this is how it looks. And now we take the outside wire, we put 2 green beads on, and we take the other wire and we put 1 bead on, 1 green bead on, like so. And now we start making the flower again. So we put 1 bead each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead, drag it down, take 2 beads on each end of the fishing line, one bead in the middle, both ends of the fishing line through, fold them over, one end through one side 2 beads, the other end through the other side 2 beads, pull it, then we take the outside wire, pull 1 white bead on, and the same wire, this one goes through the opposite side first bead, pull it, this is how it looks. And now we do 2 green beads outside fishing line and 1 on the inside fishing line. This is how it looks. And you do the flower again. And you just keep going like this until you reach the size you want your bracelet or necklace or ring or anklet or whatever you're making to be. And that's it. Pretty straightforward once you get a hand of it. And yeah, mix and match all the different colors you want and enjoy, really. That's all it is. It's not as hard as it seems at all, and especially if you have watched, for example, some of my previous videos where I made these flowers, you're gonna be just fine, because it's actually really easy to make. Just takes time, as with everything. And as you notice, it's like you keep swapping the sides all the time. So yeah, this is how you keep going. You know, when you get to the very end, you just pull each end of the fishing line through opposite side of the bead. So it kind of goes straight, it doesn't go sideways anymore. Like this. And once you have done that, you just need to take the other end of the closure, put the fishing line in, like so. And now again, you just fold down the sides. Squeeze it. Cut down the loose ends. Put jump ring on. And this is it. This is your bracelet done. And this is how it looks on my wrist. Very pretty. If you make one, let me know in the comment section how you get on, and I would love to see pictures of it. Send me on Instagram, and remember, mix and match any colors you like. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.